Next page. All right, 30, 60, 90 triangles. So I'm going to try my best again. So, now I'm going to write in orange again. I think I was doing okay with that one. Okay. So 90-degree angle. Let's say this is the 30-degree angle, and this is the 60-degree angle, and this is the 90-degree angle. Well, if that's the case, then we're going to call this one X this time. I should put in a different color. Let's do blue. X. And then this one would be X over 2. And this would be X square root of 3 over 2. A little more complicated. Oh, more complicated, right? So, I should probably label these first. So I, as usual, like to get rid of these. And then I like to just say, okay, this is my 30. Across from the 30 is the X over 2. Across from the 30 degrees is the X over 2. The hypotenuse is X. Hypotenuse is X. That means that one's X square root of 3 over 2. Okay, so we have a lot going on here, right? But we know that 10 is X over 2. So I'm going to put X over 2 is 10. All I got to do is multiply by 2. And I get X. I should put that in a different color, otherwise some of y'all may not see it. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. And then this goes away. And I get X equals, oh, that looks like an exponent. There I go again. And, okay. And I get X equals 20. So X equals 20, so that's 20. And then that would mean that this is just, I'm going to put this, I'm going to show you that I'm going to do this, but I'll do it like this. Is 20 square root of 3 over 2. But you can actually simplify this. You don't have to do it with each one because it doesn't say plus, but 20 divided by 2 is 10. So you get 10 square root of 3. 10 square root of 3. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and get rid of these. This is 30 degrees. Across from the 30 degrees is X over 2. So this is X over 2. And across from the 90 degrees is X. And this is X square root of 3 over 2. Okay, so this is going to require some work. I'm actually going to do it like this instead so I can see. So X over 2 equals 5 square root of 3. So I need to multiply by 2. Times 2 times 2. And I get X equals 10 square root of 3. Yeah, so I'm good here. So this is X equals 10 square root of 3. And then, so X 10 square root of 3. So I'm going to do this one right here. So I end up with 10 square root of 3 times square root of 3 over 2. because x was 10 square root of 3, so x is 10 square root of 3, and then I put the times 3. So that gives you 10 square root of 9, over 2. Right away I can simplify this, right? 5 square root of 9, but square root of 9 is just 3. 5 times 3, until we get 15. So this, all of this equals 15. Okay, cool. Oh man, there's so many more examples. There must be so many intricacies in this. Okay, let's do it. Let's get rid of that. We are going to say that well, I'd like to find the 30 degree first. 30 degree. And across from the 30 degree is x over 2. And across the 90 degree is just x. So that leaves this one as x squared root of 3 over 2. Let me leave some more room. Okay, so we know that this is x. Oh, so it's not too bad. So then we'll do 10 square root of 3. So let's do yellow one over here. Oh no, I said it was green last time, I think. So instead of x over 2, I'm going to put 10 square root of 3 over 3 over 2, which is just 10 square root of 3. If I divide by 3 and divide by 2, it's just divide by 6. Let's just reduce that. We can't really divide 10 divided by 6, but we can reduce it. Divide by 2 is 5. Divide by 2 is 3. So 5 square root of 3. Remember, I'm reducing these by 2. By 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So that's there. I'm just going to leave that there. I'll put x over 2 at least. Hope that doesn't confuse anybody. And then let's go ahead and do this one. So I'll do it like this. So instead of x times square root of 3 over 2, I'm going to put 10 square root of 3 over 3 times square root of 3 over 2. Ooh, that's a lot. So this isn't as difficult as we would think. So 10 square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 10 square root of 9, which is, we'll just leave that, and over 3, which is just 10 times 3 over 3, which is just 30 over 3, which is just 10 over 2, which is just 5. Oof, that was a lot of work. Well, a lot of small steps, right? Cool. So, this one looks easier. So, that is x over 2. This is x. This is x square root of 3 over 2. This one should be easy. I can immediately see. I don't have to work, really, like that. If x over 2 is 3 over 2, then x equals 3. Then x equals 3. Like this goes directly to here. And then that means that, I can show you, though, if you prefer. Andrea. Let's see. So I can multiply both sides by 2 if I want to get rid of a fraction, right? I forgot I usually do this one in yellow. Oops. I'm doing orange this time. That actually gets rid of that. So x equals 3. So equals 3. Okay, and then that will just equal 3 square root of 3 over 2, which we can't do anything with. Like, that's it. Because 3, we can't reduce here, we can't multiply here, we can't do anything here. We're done. 2 more. Cool. Okay, so get rid of this, get rid of this. This is x over 2. That's x. And this is x square root of 3 over 2. Oh, cool. Right here, we can already see that x equals 13. Because you see the x, square root of 3 over 2, like x has to be 13. So that means x is 13 over here. Oh, I think I usually... I usually use green. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. And then yellow, we'll say that x over 2. Well, if x is 13, then I get 13 over 2, which I can't reduce. So this is my answer, or 7.5. I mean 6.5 if you prefer. If it's exact like that, you can leave it like that. I understand. But like most of the time, I prefer if you leave it in fraction form. All right, one more. Remember that this is x over 2. This is x. Oh, easy. And this is x square root of 3 over 2. Actually, a little more room so we can read this. So if this is x over 2, this is x, so x right here. So this is just, let me show a different color at least. This is 22 over 2 because x was 22, right? Which means it's 11. And I'll put this one over here. And we get x is 22, so 22 times square root of 3 over 2. Well, 22 over 2 is 11. So I get 11 square root of 3. That's nifty. So I made the most difficult one, like, not last. Cool. That's it. Thank you.